Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic and this is my unboxing of BoxyCharm. This is December. Here's everything. I'm going to put it down. Gift of Glam is what it is this month. Here's all the stuff. And I'm going to put this down so we can be surprised. So the first thing in here is Araceli Beauty Bella Sponges. Now sponges is something, I've actually never bought makeup sponges except for when I bought the Hip Dot Peep sponges because they're so darn cute. But I've never bought any other makeup sponges because I always get them in boxes so I can just use these ones. So here's some. And then this is Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. So it's a serum for aging skin like mine. There's that. I've got a lot of serum samples that I'm trying out, not a lot of full size, so that's nice. Then I've got this Algenist Eye Renewal Bomb. I still have a few eye creams. I just ran out of one, but this is almost a little bit open, but I can see it's not tampered with. But it was like not fully closed. It was like, that could have happened in shipping though. Eye Renewal Bomb. Full size. Then we've got cruelty-free and vegan, no parabens, kale ginkgo, no gluten, Luna liner. I think I have another Luna liner. I think they're pretty creamy from what I can remember. This is from Seraphine Botanicals, so totally not what I was thinking. But it's just that's pretty smooth. That looks pretty good. Liquid liner. And then the last thing in here is actually a palette. It's the Dito or Dito. I think it's Dito. Venus palette, limited edition. That's cool. Actually, I was looking at this palette to purchase it, and I decided not to because I have a lot of palettes, so I didn't need to purchase it. But I'm doubly glad I didn't because here it is. That looks so beautiful though. That looks so beautiful. I am way looking forward to trying this. There's like a peachy shimmery shade up there. I wonder if you could use that for like a highlighter blush. And then you've got these golds, bronzes. You got these reds, rusts, darks, and then this black here. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. And it's all, I like it too because it's all like the solar system, which I'm interested in space exploration, so I really like that. So this is super cool, and look how shiny and pretty it is. This is beautiful. I'm so glad I got this. Glad I didn't buy it, but I'm glad I got it. The palette is worth more than the box itself. The palette's $29.99. The box is around $25. You know, the serum was $45. The Renewal Bomb, $68. The Sponge Duo was $24, which seems high to me for a Sponge Duo, but and then the Luna liner was $18. So you get a really good deal. And I'm super glad. I'm super happy with my box this month. What do you guys think? Have you used this brand before? Do you get BoxyCharm? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching.